What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Scotthollywood Outdoors. I'm finally back out here on the water in my boat and doing some bass fishing on the new river. It's been a year and 7 months since I've actually done this. It's hard to even imagine how fast the time has flown by. But you know, as you guys know, I've been working on the boat, trying to get that squared away, which I'm actually going to do another video on that here very shortly, on basically a walkthrough of the boat, of everything I've done. I'll even throw in some stuff that I've, you know, some behind the scenes stuff of some of the footage I had. So look forward to that video coming up here real soon. But in the meantime, like I said, I'm actually out here on the new river to do some fishing. And from what I can see, I'm just idling out right now. The water is extremely high and it is booking. So we are still, you know, reeling from the effects, you know, water-wise anyway, from Hurricane Debbie. All the rivers around here and everything has basically just been flooded, swamped. So the water is really, really high. Even though we're tidal here, we've still been under a coastal flood warning probably for the last two weeks basically since the storm. And that includes here the new river and all of Bluffton, you know, all of Savannah, everything as well. So it's going to be kind of interesting to see, you know, what I can catch. I've been following some of my friends that are around here. They fish some tournaments out here on Wednesday nights, which I might start doing again, by the way, which that would really take it back to the old days. And they said they've been still catching some fish. Now, you know, I wasn't really paying attention to the tide or anything today because, you know, I'm just happy to get out here. So like I said, the water is extremely high. I've never seen it this high before. So I'm just going to do my best. It's just great to get out here. It's a beautiful day. It's a little breezy, a lot cooler than it's been in the last couple of weeks, so I'm happy for that. And I'm just glad to get out here on the water, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, idle up. I've got the YOLO stick in the background there to kind of you know, play the whole video. If you guys want to watch behind the scenes raw stuff of me filming a video and me fishing all day. So that YOLO stick back there will always be up there. I've got the new power pole micro there, so it's gonna be, you know, it's gonna be interesting to see. I've got the new trolling motor, which is not a foot controlled. It's gonna be weird how that all plays out. So it's gonna be a little bit of learning. This is kind of like a shakedown for bass fishing. See how everything works out for that, and I'm looking forward to it. So with that, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna do a little bit of a run. Like I said, it's been a long time since I've been on the river, so I don't know, you know, I forgot where all the stumps and everything were, and to be honest with you, with all this high water, it's probably all in different spots anyway. So I'm kind of just idling up river here. That, like I said, the tide's coming out. So I'm gonna basically just kind of like fish with the tide all the way out, and hopefully we can catch some fish. So stay tuned, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys, I'm loving this spot lock. It's been a bear, I gotta admit. I ended up messing up my YOLO stick because I ran into a tree. I mean, this current, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see it is hauling butt. I did catch a fish, a little one, on the old RBT custom square bib. I didn't have it on video, but I'm just trying to get used to some stuff. Like I said before, this is all a learning experience, you know, a different type of trolling motor than what I'm used to, but I'm learning it. With the current moving this fast, I was trying to fish with the current, but it was just too much. So now what I'm trying to do is basically, you know, drift my way down, and then I find a spot, then I hit spot lock, like this area over here. I'm able to just kind of, you know, hit fan cast this whole area right here. Sorry about the wind, because in addition to the current, it is windy as blazes out here, as you can see. So it's tough, but we did catch a fish. We got the skunk out. I got a picture of it. I'll show it to you right here. Small, but hey, it was something. So let's keep at it. Well guys, I hate to admit it, I fished for another 2 or 3 more hours and I didn't catch nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off this video with just probably about 6 or 7 minutes worth of this footage of me driving back through the new river, back upriver towards the launching point. And I mean, it really is a beautiful place. I mean, there's all kinds of wildlife. Just the scenery is just spectacular. And you can see how much the current was actually rolling. It truly is a magical place. I do really love fishing here, but the bottom line is I actually need to relearn this river. I mean, it's been so long since I've been out here. I mean, there's a couple spots that I still fished that I've caught fish before, but everything has kind of changed. A year and a half is a long time to not be on a body of water and then come back to it and expect to catch fish. So I will definitely be back out on this river many more times. You can bet that, to learn it again, and definitely bringing you back some more videos with some more fish catches in it. I do have another video coming up. I'm going to go ahead and do a boat walkthrough. A lot of people have been asking for that since I did spend over a year and a half restoring it. Might as well go ahead and show you what I did to it and how everything came out. It really came out beautiful. Definitely going to be used for more saltwater and freshwater fishing, and basically just kind of just cruising along as well. So stay tuned for that. Also, got some more travel videos coming up. We got some more trips planned. We got some more kayaking stuff. So all kinds of stuff going to be coming out on the channel. Make sure you guys hit that notification icon. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. There's going to be a lot of stuff coming out in the future. So stay tuned, guys. And go ahead and enjoy this last 6 minutes down this beautiful ride. And I will see you guys all soon back out on the water and back on the boat. So this is Scotthollywood Outdoors, and that's a wrap. So beautiful back here. Shit. Out here filming a video, guys. Scotthollywood Outdoors. Out here on the new river. Beautiful day. Out on the boat. It's gonna be a good one. Stay tuned.